Welcome back to my solution to Challenge 8, Landmark. My code for ch8_landmark.svelte will be provided in the link. You can use this to data chapter 3 folder and add to exercise list.json. Okay, let's look at the script. Start the script with an array of countries and an array of objects for landmarks. The object contains the country and name for each landmark. Declare state for landmarks to visit and selected country. Next, reactives. Summary. Here a $derived is used to create the summary message. Derived returns a function, and this is using a template literal expression, using backticks with a map function to join visited landmarks together separated by. So summary depends on a selected country and a landmarks to visit, and any time either of these change, then Svelte will automatically re-render anything that uses reactive as summary. Next, a $derived is used for the number of landmarks count.by, simply using the length of the array, which tells how many items are in the array. Next in the script are the functions. Function getRandomCountry uses the countries array to select one at random. Function getRandomLandmark. This is not as simple because we need to make sure that the same landmark isn't selected already. To do this, a new array is created with only items not found in landmarks to visit array, and then randomly selecting one of the available landmarks, if any. Note the use of push here. Prior to SK5 you would have had to use assignment and spread operator. But with SK5 arrays and objects are reactive and mutable. Function deleted_landmark filters out the item marked for deletion. Below, in the markup, we display the landmarks to visit array, and as this is reactive, declared with $state, this is automatically, reactively, re-rendered by Svelte. And that completes the script. Next, the markup. The markup starts with displaying title and buttons for random country and add random landmark. Next, display a summary. Note the round brackets again. As $derived returns a function, so you must use the, or what you will see is an object. Next, an each loop is used with a key, landmark.name, to display each landmark with name and country. Remember, these are objects within the array, so landmark.name rather than just the name. And then we have a font awesome icon, trashcan, for delete, with an on-click which calls the delete landmark function to filter out the item selected for deletion. Finally, display the total landmarks using reactive total landmarks, round bracket, since $derived returns a function. Note that because the #each loop is reactive, any change in landmarks to visit will signal to Svelte to re-render this loop since it depends on that array. That completes my solution. And yours may be quite different with the required objective. Before we wrap up this challenge, let's take a look at the key concepts covered. Times reactive state management. Use $state and $derived to handle reactive state, calculate derived values, and dynamically update UI elements. Array filtering and duplicates. Utilize array methods like .filter and .find to prevent duplicates and dynamically manage lists. Event handling and accessibility. Use on-click and on-key press to handle user interactions and ensure keyboard accessibility. Optimized reactivity. Update arrays and objects reactively without reassignment by using methods like push for better performance. Reactive messaging. Dynamically display summary messages and totals with template literals for clear updates. Okay, and that's a wrap on Challenge 8. I will see you in the next video for Challenge 9.